trailblazing on and off the court. But imagine a world where Billie Jean King won even more tennis titles. Did activism come at a cost?
Her #1 priority was to get equal prize money for women's tennis. Her first priority wasn't necessarily her winning a tournament. And I think in the long run, it probably hurt her career.
So I asked Billie Jean King whether she had any regrets as she turned 70.
No regrets. Are you kidding? God gave me so. My brother and I.
It's impossible to be a bigger champion.
Sports. My brother and I we're exceptional. We just are, and we're two of the lucky ones. We're lucky that we had that coordination and the desire, and the motivation, and the energy, and the competitive spirit. I mean, we hate to lose. We want to win. But if you hear Elton and me, and we want to win as far as getting the world a better place. And that's why we're competitive. That's why we're out there every single day with our energy, is we're going to make this world a better place, no matter if it's through tennis, through music, whatever. Try to help the LGBT community, just help humanity. It's about human rights.
Singing still and music still is your passion.
Mm-hmm. It never goes away. I mean, music has been with me since 3 years of age. It's got me through terrible times and great times. It's been my friend, my lover, the person that I've turned to in a kind of non-human form when I've, been on my own. It's been solace, it's been joy, it's been motivational. It's been my life, and you have to raise the bar. And if you don't raise the bar still, then you're coasting, and you might as well be dead.
Elton John, Billie Jean King, still raising the bar. Never coast. Thank you very much for being here.
Thanks, Christiane.